Today we are going to create this professional poster from scratch and I will explain every step. Without wasting much more time, let's get started. Go to the uploads and add the product PNG. Now click on the background and change the background color. Pick the color from the photo's color recommendation. Now go to the elements and search for the white glow. Add this first one and adjust it, then send it to backward. And reduce the transparency. Now go to the elements, go to the shapes and add the rectangle shape. Reduce the corner rounding, adjust it and change the color. All the color codes are given in the description. Again, go to the element section and add the semicircle shape. Adjust it. And apply the colors same as applied to the rectangle. Now make a duplicate of this page and make these shapes colorless. Now increase the stroke weight so outline will be visible. Now we are going to make podium. Just follow my process. Now cover the whole page with this some shape and apply the white color to this shape. Cover the rest of the podium part with some shapes and wanted area should be visible. Now delete these outlines. Download this page as a transparent background. Now add this transparent PNG on the main page and remove the background. Adjust this podium to the center of these shapes. Now make a duplicate of this semicircle shape. Go to the colors and drag this center color to the right side. And reduce the transparency of this center color. Now remove the background of this product PNG and adjust it to the center. Then go to the edits, go to the adjust, increase the intensity how much you want to. Now go to the elements and search for the shadow and add the shadow for this product PNG. Now go to the uploads. Now upload the brand logo. Leave your thoughts in the comments if this was useful. And don't forget to subscribe the channel.